Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm following this makeup trend where as you watch a YouTuber do their makeup and you follow their instruction and how they got what they got. So I decided to choose Nikkitutorial because of course I love her. Her makeup is always flawless and spotless. So I choose this look particularly. So the first thing she's doing is priming her face. I do not have that primer she's using, but I'm just gonna use this primer that I have. I've already done a review.
I'm ready for foundation. For foundation today, I'll be using the Girl Lab Time Proof.
So now she's moving on to foundation. Of course, I don't have that foundation.
And I thought, let me tell you,
99% of the stuff she have, I would not have. She loves full coverage. I love full coverage as well, but I don't have that foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Revlon foundation. I love this foundation. It's full coverage. Trust me. It also looked like she was rubbing it all over her face. I'm not gonna do that because that's only gonna leave like marks. So I'm just gonna put this foundation all over my face because you're not supposed to like rub it.
The concealers I'll be going in with today.
So now you guys know I don't have that concealer, but I do have my Black Radiance
Amazing
concealer.
Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. So going in with
out of her mind.
Cosmetics Amazing Concealer first. Bam. The concealer. I'm keeping it at the Amazing Concealer
Thank
only.
you.
And in my opinion, nothing blends concealer
Thank you.
in
That's
like
enough.
a beauty blender. So for concealer,
Yo,
I am using the
too
beauty
much.
blender.
This is too much, and I haven't even done my brows yet. This is way too much. Way too much. Oh my god. I'm literally terrified of how I'm gonna blend all this thing out. The more concealer you have, the harder it is to blend. Yo, I look crazy as hell. I look ridiculous.
Okay, loose powder. I'm gonna
So
set
I don't
my
have
under
that
eye area
setting
to prevent
powder,
it from
but I'm gonna
creasing.
use my Ruby Kisses setting powder to set my face. Yo,
And now
can you
grabbing
tell
my
at this point
Armani
I'm literally
Silk
tired
powder
of the
and my
process,
Morphe
but we're gonna go
M444
through
and
this.
setting the
I
rest
don't
of my
have that, and
face.
I also noticed that she didn't set her other parts of her face,
For
but I'm
larger
just gonna
areas
go
of my
ahead and do
face,
that
I'm gonna
before I
switch
use
over
my
to the
powder to set
Morphe
all my face.
E54,
But
which I
I'm
know
just
the
gonna use my
classic
Black
E
Radiance
collection
pressed
by Morphe.
powder in ebony.
Morphe G35.
She's
to
baking
use this.
again.
I know these
She's
are hard to
literally
get
using
by.
a whiter
I personally got
powder
mine
to
off
bake
of eBay
again.
because I couldn't find it in
Like, this
stores
is not
anymore,
enough.
but
Okay, so I'm
maybe
gonna go
they're
in
just
with my LA
thick.
Girl translucent powder and use that to set my face because I don't have the product that she's using. So I did my brows off
For
camera
eyes, the
because
first thing
that's
I'll be
what she
doing is
did, and I
applying a
also
base,
set
of
my
course, to keep
eyes
this
with
eye on
my
all day
Black
long,
Radiance
and I'm using my
concealer,
MAC
and I
soft
set it
overlay
with
for
my
this.
LA Girl
Little
translucent
trick
powder,
to make blending
and as
easier
she is right
applying
now.
a light
So
matte
it
black
looks like she's
eyeshadow. First,
going
gonna
in
wing
with
out my
black
lid. And for this,
gel
I'm using a
liner
Morphe
and creating a wing like
M160
so, and I'm just
116
gonna
brush.
do exactly
Go
what
ahead and
she's
fill that
doing
in.
right there.
To
What's
cut
next?
the
What's
lid,
next?
I'll be using
Next.
the MAC
Okay, so now it looks like she's
and a
just using
Sigma
her
LO5
matte
brush.
concealer to cut her crease, and we're just gonna cut it.
On the inner
So
third,
it
I'm
looks
gonna
like
set
she's
that
using
using
a
Color
shimmery
Rain Malibu
turquoise
eyeshadow. And of
single
course, you
palette,
wanna
but I'm gonna
stay
go ahead
inside
and use
that
my
cut
Juvia's
lid
Place
line.
turquoise color. I forgot what the name is, but if you have that palette, you should know
And
what it is. I'm just gonna place this right where she placed
On
it
the
at.
center of the lid, this
So it looks like she's using this blue shimmery color and placing it in the center of her lid. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette, go in with that blue shimmer color and place it right in the center. And then you want to make sure you blend both in.
I'm gonna grab the Morphe 35P palette and taking this color right
So
here.
now
and with
she's
a
going in with her
Clarity
Morphe palette and
E22 brush,
she's using
I'm
a
gonna
purple
cut
color, but I'm just gonna
right
go
above
in
that
with my
line to
Juvia's Place
create a new
palette.
crease.
It's a really beautiful, nice purple color, and I'm gonna place it where she is directing me to place it. And I'm also using a straight brush to do as she
And then now
says.
with a small little Morphe
This also goes to
M515
show
brush,
that
I'm gonna
just
buff
because you
and
don't
blend
have that
that out.
specific palette, you can always use what you have to create a look that someone is creating. And I also went in with
And
my
I know I say
straight
this all the
blending brush
time,
to
but the
kind of
higher
bring
you
that
get up,
purple
the
color
less
out.
pressure you
Like,
want to
this
put on that
look
brush
is
to make
not
a
as
beautiful
easy
blend.
as it looks. This is actually a lot of work,
You can
and I
always
am
go in
super
with a
nervous because I
large
want to
brush
get it
to
exactly
soften the
correctly
edges
and be
make it
good at it. As
On
just
the
as good
waterline,
as
I'll be
she.
applying
So
the
she's using
Sephora
the black
Contour
pencil. I'm gonna
Inner
go in
Rim
with this
Gel
black
Liner
pencil that I
in
got
black.
from the dollar store, and I'm gonna place it on my waterline. For me, I never put a black liner on my waterline because I have a small eyes. I normally use a white pencil just so my eyes can pop.
And
But we're going to do what she said. We're going to do what she said. Okay, so now she's going in with a couple purple liner, and she's placing it on the bottom of her eyes. I'm just going to use my Juvia's Place palette, the same purple color, and I'm just going to place that on my outer waterline. And also she's winging it, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go ahead and wing it, and I'm using a smaller straight angle brush. I shouldn't have used this brush.
Anastasia Beverly Hills.
So she's using the Anastasia Beverly highlight, and I do have that palette. Like, I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and use that pink highlighter and place that on my eyebrows and the corner of my eyes.
For lashes,
so ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to do my eyelashes off camera. She's using expensive eyelashes, but I'm going to use eyelash from eBay. And I'm going to do it
Let's move on to cheeks. For cheeks, I'm going to contour first. I'm going to go in with my makeup
contouring with a cool tone powder.
And my
I'm not white, so I can't contour with a cool tone, but I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses contour powder in dark, and I'm going to use this to chisel my cheekbone. And it didn't show that she contoured everywhere else, but I'm just gonna do so because I need to chisel.
For blush, I'm gonna use the
So she's using her MAC blush palette. I do not have that, but I'm gonna go in with this blush palette that I got from eBay, and it looks like she's using the orange color, so I'm just gonna go in with an orange blush. Don't normally do that, but so it looks like she likes to pack a lot of it because that's a lot of blush. But I'm just gonna put a little. To be honest, I really wanted this highlighter, but I don't have the coin for it, so I'm just gonna go in with this highlighter that I got from eBay for a couple dollars, and it seems like she's contouring like her whole nose like straight down. I don't normally do that, but I'm gonna do so because we're following her
really
videos.
Easy. You just want a very neutral, softly glossy lip. So for lipstick,
I don't have that much coin, so I don't have that product. But I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. It's a new peachy lipstick that I got from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm gonna be using as my lipstick. It also looks like she didn't use a lip liner. For a black woman, not a lip liner, it doesn't look good. So I'm going to go ahead and use lip liner on my lips and then go on to the next step. So I don't have that lip gloss, but I'm going to go in with this Victoria's Secret lip gloss that kind of looks like what she has on, and I'm going to place this all over my lips.
And all you want to do now to lock it all in place and get rid of a super cakey and powdery look, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix.
I'm going to use this plain color setting spray all over my face, and it looks like she's advising
And that, guys,
us to
concludes
use it
this
in an angle,
Zendaya inspired makeup tutorial.
Angle, and you spray it, so I'm just going to do so. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed the makeup aspect of it. I'm truly disappointed that my audio was messed up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really like it, and tell me what you would like to see next. Thank you guys so much. Bye.